Today, we're going to be talking about the Harvard College Secret Court of 1920. And here are some of the things that we'll be talking about today. It really all began with the suicide of Cyril Wilcox, and you can read some of the details on your right. When Dean Greenough goes to President Lowell, they decided that the normal disciplinary process for the students would be too slow and this needed to be resolved as quickly as possible. So they decided to form what is now known as the Secret Court. I couldn't find pictures for all of the board members, but hopefully this will give you an idea what the membership was like, basically older white men. Let's check out the investigation.
So, okay, the court is formed. The first thing that Dean Greenough does is identifies Ernest Roberts as a person of interest. So he goes to his proctor, who's Windsor Hausner, and gets him to spy on Ernest. So Hausner tracked who was coming to visit, who called when, who left, where he went. And this happened for 7 days. After those 7 days, Windsor gave Greenough 7 names of students. On the same day that Greenough got the names of the students, there was an anonymous letter that was received by Greenough. The letter confirmed some of the names that Hausner had given Greenough. So it was Ernest Roberts, who was a ringleader, or so we were told, Kenneth Day, Edward Say, and Eugene Cummings, who was a graduate student. Harold Sexton, who was a tutor, was also named. So the next day, the students are summoned to the court for questioning. There's a lot that we don't know. There's no transcripts of what happened. There weren't any secretaries taking notes. Only the court's notes themselves survived. We're not sure how the interviews were held, if it was just a frank conversation, if it was an actual interrogation. But what we do know is that the court asked some really sensitive questions. Did people masturbate? Who had they had sexual relationships with? What had they fantasized about? And interviewed quite a few people over a period of 2 weeks. So at the end of the 2 weeks, 7 college students were expelled. And one of the graduate students, Eugene Cummings, was expelled. They weren't just let go of Harvard. It was demanded that they leave the city of Cambridge altogether.
So here were some of the revelations of what happened after the investigation. And here are the revelations once the secret court files were discovered in 2002. And of course, our great works cited page. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.